All right, lesson 2.9, part 2. You have to admit it. I know, some of you really liked that. I would say probably 50% of my students love these kinds of problems. Once they see how to do it, they enjoy doing it. So let's have some fun. All right, this is our second practice problem together, and it is very similar to the one we did before. When you first read it, you think, we don't have enough information, and then remember, you look for that line that I told you, kind of helps us to see that we're going to draw boxes, basically, okay, that there is going to be an answer. There is going to be a problem that we can solve. So let's read it together. Sarah and Sam picked apples over the weekend. Sam picked 9 times as many apples as Sarah. Together, they picked 310 apples. How many apples did each pick? Okay, love this, and I know you guys do too. It's kind of fun. So let's go ahead and look at the important information here. This right here is what signals we can work this problem. 9 times as many apples as Sarah. Okay, again, we don't know how many Sarah picked. We don't know how many Sam picked. But we have this little clue, the 9 times as many apples as Sarah. Okay, so all we have to do really is figure out which one is going to just have the one box, okay? Well, it's not going to be Sam because, see, he picked 9 times what somebody else did. So if it's not Sam that's one box, then it's got to be Sarah. So right away, Sarah is going to be represented by one box. So here's Sarah, oops, and here is her box with the question mark, of course, because we don't know how many she picked. Okay, and then we know that Sam picked 9 times that, and we did this in our last problem. So again, Sam, we're going to represent his with how many boxes now? 9 times, so it's going to be 9 boxes. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and then remember this over here? We know that all of these together will equal, we have to have that figure, and fortunately it's in there. We have to equal in the end 310 apples. So here's that number over here, 310. Okay? Here we go. So we're going to take our total and we're separating it out equally. So that's division. So 310. And we're separating it out. Where do we get that divisor? What number's the divisor? You can look back at the work that we did before, but you can also remember from what we did, it's going to be these individual boxes that we don't know what goes in there, okay? So we've got 9 boxes here, but we need that 10th one too. So count all of your boxes, 10 boxes, that's your divisor. So here we go, 10 into 310. I know some of you are really quick and you've already got this, but let's step through it together. All right, remember to cover up all but that first 2 digits. So 10 will go into 31 3 times. 3 times 10 is 30. Subtract, get a 1. Go ahead and bring down that next number. And 10 times what is 10? 10 times what is 10? I know you know it. Okay. And then subtract 0. Again, no remainder. Nice clean number. Okay, think, where does this 31 go? We just took our total and we divided it out. Our divisor was this. So that 31 goes in each one of these boxes. Okay, our answer, our quotient, goes in each box. So 31 in each one of these boxes. Okay. And I am going to take the time to put it in there. No shortcuts, okay? Shortcuts can get you in trouble when it comes to math. So just go ahead and put those in there, okay? Then when you see it, and let's say that you did your math and you got 100, then hopefully seeing this with Sam, say you got the 100, you'd go, well, that can't be right. I've got 31 here, 31. If I have 31 in all those boxes, it's going to be kind of a big number, more than 100. Okay, back to what we're doing. So the question is, how many apples did each pick? Well, Sarah picked, nice, short, sweet, and easy, 31. Sam, on the other hand, he picked 31 times 9 boxes. 31 times 9, okay? Now, you can do the 31 times 9, or you could just subtract that 31 from 310, okay? We're going to go ahead and multiply the 31 times the 9 to get our answer. So let me go ahead and clean this off right here. And again, on your scratch paper, I prefer you keep all of your work, but because of space, I'm going to go ahead and erase that. But we are about to have our answer here. 31 times 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 3, 279. So Sarah had 31 apples that she picked, and Sam picked 279 apples. Okay? Good job. It's kind of fun, isn't it? All right, I might do another one. We'll see. But this is only the beginning. You have other problems that you can go ahead and work in your book.